Hi, you're back for another session with us going over the Clear Management Software package. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the transaction types and descriptions and the frequencies and how those will relate to each other. The first thing we're going to talk about is the descriptions. I'm going to go ahead and click on the descriptions button, and this takes us in so that we're looking at an active transaction type. So what these transaction types are billing types. These are either things that we're using as payment types, or these are things that you're using to charge your customers. So this would be where you would put your services for that you're charging your customers for. For instance, we have window cleaning, courier services. There's a whole bunch of different things that we have put in here just as sample things for you. If you're doing lawn care, if you're doing again, courier services or lawn mowing, you can put in that it's active, what the code that you want it to be is, the description, a default price, and what the payment type is. The payment type list you can see is cash, charge, credit, credit card payment, debit card payment, services, or refund. Now, if it's something that you're going to be billing your customer for, you're going to write it in. You're going to designate this payment type as a charge or a service. If it's a way that you're taking payments, so if it's a check or if it's cash or if it's credit card, you're going to be designating that either by credit or by credit card payment if it's a credit card payment, and debit card payment if it's a debit card payment. I'm going to go ahead and just leave this screen here and move on to frequency. The frequencies are strictly the amount of time that you're going to let pass before you do the job again. So this is going to be very useful for jobs that are done on a weekly basis, an annual basis. I'll just show you some of the default frequencies we have. We have an annual basis, 50 weeks. Even though there's 52 weeks in a year, we've made our annual basis 50 weeks. Our bi-monthly, every other month. That's every 8 weeks. So it's important that when you're putting your own custom frequencies in here, that you really do specify the number of weeks, because this comes into play when you're actually creating job types for your customers, which I will go over in the customers tutorial, and when you're going to specify how often you want to come back to this job. This ends this tutorial. I hope you'll stick around for the next one. Thanks a lot.